Imagine you're a superhero. You've got a world to save and a million things on your mind. How do you keep track of it all without losing your mind? That's where Trello comes in. Trello is a popular project management tool that helps you organize your tasks, ideas, and projects in a visual way. It's like a digital bulletin board where you can create cards, move them around, and add notes. Problem 1. Overwhelm. Ever felt overwhelmed by a long to-do list? Trello breaks down your tasks into smaller, more manageable chunks. It's like having a personal assistant who helps you prioritize and stay focused. Solution: create a Trello board for each project or goal. Break down large tasks into smaller, actionable steps. Use labels and due dates to prioritize and track progress. Problem 2. Lack of organization. Are you someone who loses track of important documents or information? Trello's attachment feature allows you to attach files directly to your cards, keeping everything organized in one place. Solution: attach relevant files, documents, or images to your cards. Use labels and tags to categorize and search for information easily. Problem 3. Poor communication. Struggling to collaborate with team members or colleagues. Trello's commenting feature makes it easy to communicate and discuss tasks in real time. Solution: leave comments on cards to discuss progress, ask questions, or provide feedback. Use mentions to notify specific team members of important updates. Problem 4. Inefficient workflow. Are you spending too much time switching between different tools and applications? Trello integrates with popular tools like Google Drive, Dropbox, and Slack, streamlining your workflow. Solution: connect Trello to your favorite tools to automate tasks and reduce manual effort. Use power-ups to add extra features like voting, timers, and calendar integration. Problem 5. Lack of visibility. Do you find it difficult to track the progress of your projects or team members? Trello's Kanban board view provides a clear visual overview of your workflow. Solution: use Trello's Kanban board to visualize the status of your tasks. Create columns to represent different stages of your workflow, such as to do, in progress, and done. Benefits of Trello: increased productivity. By breaking down tasks and organizing your workflow, Trello helps you stay focused and efficient. Improved collaboration. Trello's features make it easy to collaborate with team members and communicate effectively. Enhanced organization. Trello's visual interface and attachment feature help you keep track of important information and documents. Better time management. Trello's due dates and prioritization features help you manage your time effectively and meet deadlines. Increased flexibility. Trello's customizable boards and power-ups allow you to adapt the tool to your specific needs and preferences. So, if you're feeling overwhelmed, disorganized, or simply need a better way to manage your projects, Trello is the solution for you. Ready to give Trello a try? Sign up for a free account today and start organizing your life. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.